I think we are live now. So friends, indeed, a warm welcome to one and all. I CA PRATIK NEVE welcome all of you to ZEST Learning for this session of indirect taxes, especially customs. And in today's session, we are going to see baggage. Yes, we are going to solve sums of baggage. Very small session, today's session, about half an hour to 45 minutes. We will just do the topic of baggage. So if at all a question of baggage is asked for say about 5 marks in the exam, you will be comfortably able to solve it. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that baggage is becoming easy for you. So let's start. And friends, I'm 100% sure that till now you have followed the entire series of sum solving. So yes, we are doing sum solving for you. The contact number is 9028777829. If you get any doubts, please WhatsApp us on this message. We will be eager to solve the doubts. Do check description to this video for these notes as well as other information of the batch. So friends, scope of supply we did in the starting. Yes. Then we did many questions on reverse charge mechanism as well as liability of e-commerce operator to pay GST. Okay. Then exemptions under GST we did 23 plus questions. Then time of supply, place of supply, value of supply. So actually today is our session number 11. So yes, what to do, sir? We have not watched earlier sessions. No need to worry. I have kept the playlist of this live on this channel. So you can check playlist of these videos. Okay, this is applicable for your Jan 26 exams as well as May 26 exams and onwards. So you can peacefully watch it at your convenience. But keep this channel subscribed, hit to the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any important videos. So friends, yes, I was telling we have done scope of supply, many questions, RCM, liability of ECO to pay GST, exemptions under GST, time of supply, place of supply, value of supply, ITC, and yes, many questions of ITC we have done and many we will be doing in the coming sessions. Apart from that, TDS, TCS, then yes, refunds we are yet to do the questions, returns also yet to do the questions. So basically, this theory based topics, this procedural topics, we are yet to do some of the questions. Then we have done questions of valuation under customs, of valuation of imports, valuation of exports, as well as we have done on types of duties. Okay, now today's session we will be doing questions on baggage. So friends, if I talk about weightage covered in this batch, so let me tell you, if scope of supply is going to be minimum for 5 marks, so yes, that 5 marks we have covered. RCM about 5 marks, so 10 marks, exemption 10 marks, so 20 marks, time of supply 5, 25, place of supply 5, 30, value of supply 10, 40, ITC 10, 50, TDS 5, 55, and then friends 55, and if valuation under customs 10, then 65, and today baggage 5. So about 70 marks weightage we would have covered in this 11 sessions. Okay, so yes, now let's start with baggage. Go to page 146. We will be doing baggage in today's session. Yes. So friends, as you all know, if you carry goods with you as a passenger, you are traveling in India from outside India and you are carrying with you the baggage. Whatever goods you are carrying in that baggage, on that you have to pay the duty. You might be carrying goods with you or on you like jewelry, mobile with you. Okay, on this you are going to pay baggage, the duty. This duty will be at 38.5%. Getting it? This duty will be at 38.5%. So let us discuss now step by step. Now what we are going to do in this topic, first quickly let's recap this topic. So to recap this topic, I'm just going to open Institute's mat. I'm opening Institute's mat. Check. Baggage rules 2016. So there is some exemptions given. That means duty free allowances are there with respect to baggage. So if you are Indian resident, okay, or you are foreigner residing in India, or you are tourist of Indian origin, then you are eligible to claim allowance under Rule 3 of baggage rules. If you are coming to India from any country other than Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, okay, then the general free allowance for you is rupees 50,000. How much is the GFA for you? Rupees 50,000. And what else is allowed free in your baggage? Used personal effects, travel souvenirs. It's allowed duty free in your baggage. Apart from this 50,000 rupees of goods. Then, but if you're tourist of foreign origin, friends, if you're tourist of foreign origin, then this GFA is only rupees 15,000. But you will be allowed, if you are Indian resident, foreign residing in India, or tourist excluding an infant means child up to 2 years of age, and you are coming to India from Nepal, Bhutan or Myanmar, then always this GFA is 15,000 rupees. But what you should remember is this GFA is not allowed for those articles which are in Annexure 1. So in short, Annexure 1 is negative list. Okay, so on this Annexure 1, you are not allowed any general free allowance. We will see that in the sums to come. And then for jewelry, for any jewelry that you are carrying with you, an allowance is given. How much? An allowance is given of 20 grams if you are gentleman passenger. If you are lady passenger, then it just gets double, that is 40 grams. Okay, and there is a value cap also, which is 50,000 rupees, and if you are gentleman passenger, again double it, that is 1 lakh rupees. But one very, very important condition, when can you claim this? You can claim this only and only when your stay abroad is exceeding 1 year. Your stay abroad should be exceeding 1 year, then only this allowance is given. Okay, then for transfer of residence, there are some rules. Okay, what are those? If your stay abroad is 3 to 6 months and you're transferring your residence from foreign to India, then your personal and household articles, except those in Annexure 1 and Annexure 2, will be allowed as exemption up to rupees 60,000. 3 to 6 months is your stay, huh? If stay is 6 months to 1 year, then it is of 1 lakh rupees. If it is minimum stay of 1 year during last 2 years, then it is 2 lakh rupees, and minimum stay of 2 years or more, then it is 5 lakh rupees. So friends, more the stay, more will be the allowance. So remember, 60,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh. Okay, and stay 3 to 6 months, 6 months to 1 year, 1 year to 2 years, and more than 2 years. Keep this in mind. Very unlikely that they will go to rule number 6, but important is rule number 3, that is returning to India from any country other than Nepal, Bhutan and Myanmar. And GFA is rupees 50,000. That is important. Also remember, in the baggage, one laptop is always allowed tax free. No need to pay duty on one laptop. But your age as a passenger should be exceeding 18 and you should not be crew member. Then this bag is allowed duty free in your baggage. Clear? So yes, please keep this all things in mind. Then we will go ahead. Now understand, if this all is clear to you, then we will go ahead and we will see. One more thing I wanted to tell you. Under rule number 5, did you understand? Jewelry will be allowed duty free only if your stay abroad exceeds 1 year. Don't forget that. Otherwise, students are very obsessed with the limits. That okay, gentleman passenger can get jewelry in India duty free up to rupees 50,000, lady passenger up to rupees 1 lakh. So they remember these limits, no problem, but they forget the main condition. Condition is that stay abroad should have exceeded 1 year. Is the condition clear, Nimiji and all of you? Shall we go ahead? Now friends, understand few more things. In rule 6, annexure 3 is positive list. Means these things will be allowed in rule 6. Okay, rule 6 was that transfer of residence. And annexure 1 and annexure 2 are negative list. Annexure 1 and annexure 2 are negative list for rule 3, 4 as well as 6. Clear? Wonderful, wonderful. Now what are these lists? Let us go through these lists. So in short, up to rupees 50,000 is allowed duty free as per your rule number 3. Isn't it? Then in that 50,000, what will not be allowed? Firearms and their cartridges up to 50. Cigarettes more than 100 sticks. And cigars more than 25. Tobacco more than 125. So friends, this will fall in annexure 1. Means cigarettes in excess of 100 will fall in annexure 1. Cigars in excess of 25. Tobacco in excess of 125 grams. Firearms up to, so this will fall in annex 1. So if they are falling in annex 1, what does it mean? That on that you cannot take GFA. Alcoholic wine or liquor in excess of 2 liters, gold, silver other than ornaments means bullion, and flat panel LCD, LED or plasma TV. Then in annexure 2, which is again negative list for rule 6. It is negative list for rule 6. Color TV, video home theater, dishwasher, domestic refrigerators greater than or equal to 300 liters, deep freezer, video camera means VCR, cinematograph films, and so actually video camera, only video camera, and then gold, silver other than ornaments. Okay, sorry, not VCR, only video camera is there, because VCR actually is falling in annexure 3 positive list. So all this VCR, DVD player, music system, AC, microwave, oven, word processing machine, fax or portable photocopying machine, washing machine, electrical LPG cooking range, personal computer, laptop computer, domestic refrigerators up to 300 liters, all this will fall in annexure 3. So on them you can claim allowance of rule 6. Clear? So let's do some questions based on this. Are you ready? for doing the questions. Shall we start? Go to question number 2. Go to question number 2. Ready? Yes, sir. Miss Priya, an Indian resident, returned to India from a visit to Singapore. So friends, Singapore means other than Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar. Other than Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar. After 3 months. So minimum stay is not even 1 year. So nothing of jewelry. She was carrying following items. Personal effects is always exempt. One laptop is always exempt. Jewelry will become taxable. Portable speaker will become taxable. So can you take total of 85,000 plus 55,000? So 1,40,000 will become taxable. But from that she will get a general free allowance of rupees 50,000. So 1,40,000 minus 50,000, 90,000 rupees will be chargeable to duty. And do you know, duty in this case is 38.5%, including, yes friends, including social welfare surcharge. So on 90,000, all of you calculate at 38.5%, you will be getting 34,650. Check. Check and let me know. Are you getting 34,650? See this. 34,650. How to exactly present this? Shall we check? Yes, sir. Absolutely. So what points exactly should be covered? How to present this? Give the heading. And friends, remind me afterwards to send this notebook to you. It is made totally for you. So question number is 2. Question number is 2, page 146. Solution will be like this. Computation of total customs duty payable on baggage. Computation of total customs duty payable on baggage. Particulars, amount in terms of rupees. So start with A point. A point is personal effects. So friends, personal effects, you will say here exempt as per rule 3. You know rule 3 of what? Of baggage rules 2016. Clear? So please put a dash. Go ahead. B point, laptop. So one laptop is allowed duty free. Is allowed duty free in a baggage of passenger whose age is above 18. So dash. Then jewelry 85,000. This is such a jewelry which is not falling in annexure 1. Why it is not falling in annexure 1? Because it is in ornaments form. It is jewelry. So jewelry, it will accommodate in GFA, that is general free allowance, under rule 3 of rule 3, of baggage rules, under rule 3, full stop, continue. But no allowance, under what? But no allowance under rule 5 as stay abroad of passenger is less than 1 year, is less than or equal to 1 year. So isn't it 85,000? And then friends, you will get portable speaker system 55,000. Portable speaker system is 55,000. So at this juncture, so of course, it can accommodate in GFA. So it will be, total will be 1,40,000. So 1,40,000 is value of dutiable goods. It is value of dutiable goods less a general free allowance, less general free allowance as per rule 3 of baggage rules 2016. So isn't it 50,000? So why you have taken 50,000? Justify that as passenger is traveling from country other than Nepal, Bhutan and Myanmar, and he is Indian resident. So can you please minus that 50,000? So you will get 90,000. Yes or no? So friends, 90,000 is what? 90,000 is your assessable value. Okay. For levy of customs duty. So friends, can you calculate customs duty at 38.5% including SWS. So you must be getting 34,500 and sorry 34,650. Are you all getting this? Yes. So let's go ahead now. Next, William Forrest, tourist of foreign origin. Friends, tourist of foreign origin. So here you know GFA will be how much? Here GFA will be 15,000. Arrived in India on a, just 1 second, allow me to place the mobile on charging so that I'll be able to read your chats. Yes. So GFA will be 15,000. Travel souvenirs. You know, travel souvenirs is always exempt. 140 sticks of cigarettes. Now you know what happens. 120 each. 16,800. Now exceeding 100 will fall in Annexure 1. Firearms with 80 cartridges. Okay, so you know exceeding 50 will fall in Annexure 1. Other personal articles, yes, they will be taxable. Determine customs duty payable by Mr. William Forrest with brief explanations under Baggage Rules 2016 and Notification number 26/2016 Customs dated 31st March 2016. The effective rate of custom duty we know is 38.5% including SWS. For firearms and cartridges, so firearms exceeding 50 and cartridges exceeding 100, the duty will be at 100%. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the calculation, friends. Very nice question. See, what will you do? How come it opens at scope of supply? Surprising. Yeah. See, so what you are going to do? Travel souvenirs, as discussed, is fully exempt. Cigarettes up to 100 sticks, you will take here 12,000. Okay, excess cigarettes, you will be paying duty at 100%. Cartridges up to 50, you will take here. Excess cartridges, you will be paying duty at 100%. Firearms, value exceeding cartridge. Firearms value excluding cartridges, you will tax here. Other personal articles plus cigarettes plus cartridges, that means 180 is that other personal articles plus this 12,000 which I've put a box onto, that 12,000 plus this 30,000. Which 30,000? This cartridges up to 50. So whatever you are going to, tax on, whatever you are going to get, what? On whatever you are going to get GFA, that I have taken together, from that I have taken GFA of 15,000 and charged it to duty at 38.5%. Then friends, so see, then friends, cartridges, excess cartridges, that is 40 cartridges, 4,800. Firearm, 1,12,000, because firearm will fall in GFA. Sorry, it will fall in Annexure 1, and excess cartridges, this all I will be taxing at 100%. It's given that I should tax it at 100%. Then I will get total customs duties payable. So shall we go ahead and do the detailed calculation? See, we'll go ahead and do the detailed calculation now. Question number is question number is 3. So write down question number 3. Page number is 146. So how to do it in the best possible way? So computation of customs duty payable on baggage for Mr. William Forrest, most importantly, tourist of foreign origin, okay, particulars and amount in terms of rupees. Ready, all of you? Yes, sir. Now I will first take those items on which GFA can be claimed and on which duty is at normal 38.5%. So first of all, let me start with travel souvenirs. So all of you know travel souvenirs will be fully exempt. So they are not chargeable to duty, or you can say they are duty free. So dash. Go to B point. Now 140 sticks of cigarettes. You are not okay with how many cigarettes? Cigarettes exceeding 100. So till 100 you are okay. So 100 sticks of cigarettes you can take here. 100 sticks of cigarettes you can take here. So basically it is 120 each. So 120 each into 100. So that is 12,000 rupees you can take here. Okay, remember balance cigarettes will be taxable at 100%. Then firearm with 80 cartridges. Now what you will do, you know, firearms you will directly send where it is taxable at 100%. So don't take firearms here. 80 cartridges. Out of 80 cartridges, you know, cartridges exceeding 50, cartridges which are exceeding 50, they will be taxable at 100%. But 50 cartridges you can take here. $50 cartridges you can take here. Each cartridge is for 600. So 600 into 50, which is 30,000. And then other personal articles. So of course, other personal articles will be taxable. Other personal articles are of 1,80,000. That's it. Please take the total now. Total comes to 180 plus 30 plus 12. It comes to 2,22,000. So this is total dutiable goods on which GFA can be claimed. Okay, less GFA as per rule, which rule? 3 of baggage rules. So take this please, GFA. It will be rupees 15,000 being, why 15,000? Being tourist of foreign origin, being tourist of foreign origin. So please subtract 15,000 and tell me, are you getting 2,07,000? So 2,07,000 is assessable value on which customs duty is at 38.5%. So you will get 79,695. Clear? All of you with me? 79,695. Okay. Now go ahead and write down next line. Articles chargeable at 100%. Let's take articles chargeable at 100%. In that first one you have 140 sticks of cigarettes. Now cigarettes exceeding 100. So 40 sticks of cigarettes. Take 40 sticks of cigarettes. So it is at 120 each. So 120 into 40, 4,800. Second point, firearms. Now entire firearms value. How will you calculate firearms value? Now entire amount given is 160, but out of which for cartridges is 18 to 600. 18 to 600 is for cartridges. So which is 48,000. So basically for firearms 1,12,000. Then friends, go ahead. Then you will have cartridges. Okay. Just give me one moment, friends. Okay, sorry guys, sorry, I'm back. Firearm is done. Then after that, cartridges exceeding 50. So how much cartridges are exceeding 50? 30 cartridges. So 30 cartridges, each cartridge is for 600. So 600 into 30, which is 18,000. Simple. Now friends, so travels one is done. 140 sticks of cigarettes in that 40 done. Firearms done. And 30 cartridges done. So that's it. Take the total now. 18,000 plus 1,12,000 plus 4,800. 1,34,800 is assessable value. Therefore, customs duty at 100%. So it is 134,800. Now friends, take total of 134,800 and 79,695. 2,14,495 is total customs duty payable on baggage. Is it 100% clear to all of you? 2,14,495 is total customs duty payable on baggage in this case. Fantastic. Shall we go ahead? Is it 100% clear? Yes. So one of the toughest possible question in baggage, that was toughest in the sense relatively tough from the perspective of baggage, I am saying. So that also we have dealt with. So let's go ahead now. 3 more questions we will discuss and we will end today's question. Then that means you are assured with 5 marks in baggage out of this topic. Now, I am quite sure friends you have liked the session from your heart also, and on the YouTube also you have liked the session. Thank you so much guys. Thank you. And do share this with your friends who might be in need of such sessions. Ravi Kumar, whose age is 42, and Mrs. Neha Kumar, whose age is 38, both Indian residents, returned to India after 2 months visit to UK. Okay, so less than 1 year. They bought following items as baggage. Laptop, you know laptop will be exempt. Used personal effect, exempt. Tablet, tablet device will be shown in either of the person's baggage. So if it is shown in baggage of say Mr. Ravi Kumar or Mrs. Ravi Kumar, any one person's baggage, so they will get GFA of 50,000. Taxable will be 20,000. On 20,000, there will be duty at 38.5%. So 20,000 into 38.5%, 7,700 will be the duty payable. You know, it can be shown as baggage either with Mr. or in the hands of Mrs. But you cannot combine the GFAs. So I'm not showing that working, but I hope all of you have understood it. Next, means we cannot take, Mr. Ravi Kumar's and Mrs. Neha Kumar's GFA together. We cannot do that. You show that tab either in the hands of Mr. Ravi Kumar or in the hands of Mrs. Neha Kumar, and take a GFA of 50,000. Clear? Make sense? Yes. Last two questions for today. Mr. Rohan Mehta, Indian entrepreneur, went to New York on 1/5/23 to explore business opportunities. His wife, Mrs. Anita Mehta, joined him on 1st October 23. Okay. Yes, yes. Perfect. 100% is including SWS. Very good. Yes, absolutely correct. Nimmi, very good interpretation and very good question. Now, they returned to India on 31st May 24. So friends, please understand, Rohan Mehta's stay is exceeding 1 year. Can you see? Rohan Mehta went to New York on 1st May 23. So Rohan Mehta's stay is 1 year plus, and his wife's stay is less than 1 year. And they declared following items to customs authorities. Used personal effects. You all know used personal effects will be exempt. Portable speaker system. Portable speaker system will be taxable either in the hands of Rohan Mehta or in the hands of his wife. Either of the two. Jewelry bought by Rohan Mehta. Wonderful. His stay was exceeding 1 year. As a gentleman, he will get exemption of 50,000. So remaining 2,000 only will become taxable. Okay. And gold bars other than ornaments bought by Mrs. Anita Mehta. Friends, for this gold bars, there is no GFA exemption. There is no general free allowance exemption. So this is going to become taxable in Mrs. Anita Mehta's hands. So 22,000 will become taxable in Anita Mehta's hands, and now 40,000, 2,000 and 22,000 is going to become taxable. Okay, so see, wonderful question. So if we talk about Rohan Mehta, what all is duty free for him? He stays 13 months, that is more than 1 year. So as we discussed, used personal effects will be fully exempt. Portable speaker, you know, if you put it in his hands, he has a GFA of 50,000 rupees. So that 40,000 will get taxable. I mean, 40,000 will get exempt. Okay. Jewelry. Anyways, so Rohan Mehta will not pay any tax. If you think about wife, Achha, and by the way, that 2,000 also will not be taxable because there was still a GFA remaining. So I will show you the working. So for Rohan Mehta, nil will be the duty. Now talk about his wife. His wife stays less than 1 year. Okay, that jewelry allowance will not be applicable because her stays less than 1 year. Okay, and on gold bars other than ornaments, no GFA is allowed as per baggage rules. So gold bars will be taxable at normal rates. Clear? Now can we show its solution? If you all are ready, we will show you the solution. Means we will go ahead and solve it. This is question number 5. Really very nice question. Question number 5, page is 147. Isn't it? Friends, see this. Okay. Now see. Computation of customs duty payable on baggage by Mr. Rohan Mehta and his wife Mrs. Anita Mehta. Clear? All of you? Particulars and all figures in rupees. Can we say Rohan Mehta, Anita Mehta? We are showing it side by side only. Start with A point, personal effects. Used personal effects. So personal effects are not dutiable, or you can say that they are, allowed duty free. So dash dash. Then talk about portable speaker system. B point, portable speaker system. You can show for anyone actually. So I have assumed that it is in the hands of Rohan Mehta. 40,000. Put it here. It is allowed in GFA. Allowed in general free allowance. And Anita Mehta, I'll put a dash. Then I'll go for jewelry bought by Rohan Mehta. It's given specifically. So that is your C point. Jewelry by Rohan Mehta. Jewelry by Rohan Mehta. You know what I will do? It is duty free. It is duty free up to rupees 50,000 as his stay abroad was exceeding 1 year. Agreed? So therefore, how much you are going to tax? 52,000 minus 50,000. You will tax only 2,000. Make sense? And then comes D point. D point is gold bars, and which is other than ornaments. Other than ornaments. Bought by Mrs. Anita Mehta. 22,000. By the way, they cannot fall in. This cannot fall in general free allowance. Now what I am doing? I am taking total value of goods that can accommodate in GFA. That can accommodate in GFA. So basically take for Rohan Mehta 40 plus 2, 42,000 less GFA 42,000, because GFA is up to rupees 50,000. Clear? So all of you, what you will do here is 0. 0 is dutiable goods. And friends, go ahead. Value of goods that cannot accommodate in GFA. Value of goods that cannot form part of GFA. That is 22,000 for our Anita Mehta. So, therefore, customs duty at 38.5%. So, can you tell me what is 22,000 into 38.5%? 8470. Did you all understand this? Yes or no? So this way easily you could have done this question. So may I go to the last one for today for this topic? Yes. Kavita Sharma, Indian resident, returned to India after 1 year of stay in Canada to contest state assembly elections. We are least bothered with that. She was carrying the following items in her baggage. Personal effects is exempt. One laptop is exempt. Jewelry, 85,000. You know, 85,000 will be tax free because her stay abroad is exceeding 1 year and lady passenger, so not taxable up to 1 lakh. Home theater system. So only home theater system will be taxable 135, but she will get a GFA of 50,000. So taxable will be 135 minus 50,000, that is 85,000. So on 85,000, calculate at 38.5%, which will be 32,725. Are you getting 32,725? Just check. Yes, that's it. 32,725. So all of you got used to this topic in today's session. So are you now comfortable with baggage? Yes. So are we now comfortable with our 70 marks? Yes or no? So of course, we will keep on practicing till the end. Okay, it's not that our practice is over. At least 70 marks we have covered in this phase. We will keep on practicing in coming sessions also. The ITC more and more we will practice, and other parts of customs and GST also we will keep on practicing. So I'm just going to the index part. Wonderful, wonderful, Nimi. So see, from day 1 till day 11, is your confidence in GST and customs going up and up? Just evaluate yourself. That is important for me. Wonderful. Yes, so we did not write here yesterday. Yes, so duty drawback, friends, you may not do. Warehousing we will do as we go ahead. Refunds we will do. FTP of course we will do. Okay. Yes. Comfortable, friends? So please do keep on following the sessions, and most importantly, stay consistent. Very important to stay consistent, and do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and that's it from my end in today's session. Any assistance you need, please feel free to contact on the given WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. See you in next session. Till then, keep smiling, keep studying, stay blessed. And if you have missed out on any of the 11 sessions, Please don't forget to follow this playlist and check the description of this video. Thank you.